Hello everyone, welcome to Search Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I am going to discuss about Google Scholar Lab, which is a recently launched AI-based extension in Google Scholar. Whenever we need to write a literature review on a specific topic, we normally go to Google Scholar and there we write the relevant keywords and search, and out of that search it provides us the big list of the articles, and we need to see each of those articles one by one to see their relevancy. But now by using Google Scholar Lab, we can just simply write a prompt there as we normally do on any of LLM model like ChatGPT, and it will provide us the results and the most relevant articles based on our command. So let me take you to my laptop screen where I will show you how to use Google Scholar Lab. Well, this is my laptop screen and I have opened this Google Scholar. You can access Google Scholar by using this web address scholar.google.com. On this page, here is a special button for Scholar Lab. So let's just click this Scholar Lab. So once we will click that button, so it will take us to on this page, which is specifically for Google Scholar Lab. And here we can write any of our questions. Here you can see the example question they have given. We can use any of these formats. So let's just write my own question. Has anyone empirically examined whether green HRM practices significantly imply green behavior in organizations? Now let's press this arrow. See, Scholar Lab has provided us 10 most relevant articles based on question. And obviously then we need to go to all of these articles one by one so that we can extract relevant material out of these articles. Here we can write the follow-up questions, but here I want to clarify whatever the prompt or the question that you will write, it will provide you the answer in the form of the articles and pointing you towards different articles, and you have to read all those articles by yourself. Scholar Lab is currently at the experimental stage and we hope to have some amazing development in future. Let's just write another prompt. Find the studies from the last 3 years investigating the mediating role of green commitment in the relationship between green HRM and environmental performance. See, Scholar Lab has analyzed more than 100 articles based on our question, and it has provided us the list of top 10 articles. This is how you can use the Google Scholar Lab to find out the articles for your literature review. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.